Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to count cells with specific text in Google Sheets. So this is very simple, just follow my steps. First, as you can see, I have text right here, and right here. So the word text is 3 times in this spreadsheet. Now, in order to count the word text, you will have to click to different cell, press equals. Now simply type in COUNTIF and select COUNTIF. Now simply select the range where you want to count it, then comma and criterion, so it will be quotation marks, and insert text. Now end it and press enter. As you can see, it has written out the 3 number, which is correct. 1, 2, 3. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.